In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use two Steam accounts on same computer. This walkthrough focuses on Steam's built-in fast account switching, which is perfect when you want to move between accounts quickly without keeping both running at the same time. It's simple, safe when used on a trusted computer, and saves you from typing your login every single time. Start with Steam open on your desktop. Look to the top right of the client where your profile name appears. Click that, and choose Change Account. This tells Steam you want to sign out of the current session and prepare to log into a different one. Before you proceed, make sure any running games or downloads are paused or closed so you don't lose progress. When Steam prompts you, check the option to store your credentials. This allows Steam to keep your login details securely on this device so it can switch faster later. Then choose to restart when asked. Steam will close and reopen to the login screen. Only use the Stored Credentials option on a computer you trust. If it's shared, you may prefer to skip remembering details for privacy. On the login screen, click Add Account. This is where you'll add and save the other account you plan to use on this same PC. Sign in with that account and, if you want fast switching, allow Steam to remember the credentials here as well. You may be asked for a Steam Guard code as part of normal security. Just complete that verification. After the account is added, Steam knows both sets of credentials and can move between them without extra typing. From now on, switching is straightforward. Anytime you want to swap, click your profile name at the top right again. Choose Change Account and select the other saved account on the login screen. Steam will quickly restart into the one you pick. This is the native fast switch method, great for alternating between libraries or profiles, but it does not run two accounts at the same time. Steam is designed to keep a single active session per client, so think of this as a quick handoff, not a way to play on both accounts simultaneously. A couple of final tips to keep it smooth: keep your Steam client updated. And be mindful of where you store credentials. Fast switching works best on a personal machine. If you ever change your mind, you can simply choose not to remember credentials next time you sign in. That's it. Thanks for watching.